video I'll be using the following products. Links are in the description. I always make sure I paint my figures with ARTEZA's premium acrylic paints. Honestly guys, the quality of this paint is really good, so I suggest you check the links in the description to find out more and order some for yourself. I'll be using masking tape, PVA glue, sculpting tools, paintbrushes, lots of super glue, tons of time and lots of patience, and a glass of water. Now we're all set, we can start this project. Hello everyone, this is Marco and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to replace the Amber Collection Velociraptor's heads with the more accurate sculpts that Rod's Random Works and I have designed, which are these right here, which will be available to purchase. Pretty easy little project, as it's just a case of peeling the original one off and then gluing the new one in. It depends if you get these pre-painted or not, but you can paint them and then replace them, or replace them and then paint them, whatever you like doing. So yeah, this is it. I'm pretty much gonna just heat the whole head with a hair dryer, so it sort of softens this already quite soft plastic, but it will sort of ease it apart better, make it a bit more softer and easier to take apart. So without further ado, let's start. Okay, so once it's heated up with the hair dryer or even boiling water, just dunk the head in a pot with a bowl with boiling water. It should be quite easy to sort of peel off. It might resist in some points because of the amount of glue that Mattel has put on, but it should just peel off like this. And it's might be a bit tough at the beginning, but then it should just peel away like this. There we go. That was simple enough, and that's what's underneath. So this will just pretty much just pop on and sit on like that. But let's take everything off first. If you heat these up for enough time, which I would say like about a minute, with the hairdryer on full power, then it should be very easy to remove, just peel off. And just in case if things go wrong or if this doesn't fit for some reason, you can put these back on. So it's still a reversible sort of project. keep a hold of this just in case anything happens. And now it's time to put the new ones in. So before gluing them in, we're just going to test them out, see if they actually fit properly. And that just snapped in place. And let's see if this one fits in too. Actually, take that one off. You see, you have to line up that little peg there with the hole right there. Okay, so now let's just glue them in with some super glue. I would like to give a massive thank you to all of my Patreons. Seriously guys, your support really does mean the world to me, as it helps me do what I love for you. You help me buy materials, and most of all, you give me a helping hand with improving the quality of the content of my videos. Even if it's just a small donation, every little helps. If you like my videos, please press the like button. And you could consider subscribing. It's free. Oh, and don't forget to press the notification bell button, because you don't want to miss any of my new stuff, right? I'm gonna say bye now, because when you gotta go, you gotta go. I will see you in the next one.